here. This is called a plus symbol. Can you see one apple here? Now one more apple gets added. So there will be 2 apples. There are 2 carrots. Now one more carrot is going to get added. So 2 plus 1, it will be 3. Totally 3 carrots. There are 2 rabbits here. Now we are going to join 2 more rabbits. So totally 2 plus 2 will be 4 rabbits. Can you see 3 penguins here? Now 2 penguins are added. So totally it will be 3 plus 2 will be 5. Wow, candies are there. See, there are 5 candies. Now 2 candies are going to get added. Now 5 plus 2. So totally it is 7. 7 candies are there. Oh, we can count using the teddy bears. Now 4 teddy bears are there. Again I am going to join 4 teddy bears. So totally 4 plus 4 will be 8 teddy bears. Now we are going to count using turtles. So in the first set you can see 6 number of turtles. So now I am going to add 3 more turtles. So 6 plus 3 will be 9 turtles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. There are 2 rabbits here. Now we are going to join 2 more rabbits. So totally 2 plus 2 will be 4 rabbits.